Are we live, Nick? We're live. Morning everybody, it's Steve Lawes at JJ Roofing Supplies. I'm at our Cricklewood Training Academy and this is our live session promotional video for episode 3 of Never Just a Roof. This is going to be airing on the 4th of October at 11 o'clock on the JJ Roofing Supplies Instagram account. So our special guest for this episode is Tyrone Elkins from ResTech, who manufactures FlexiTech 2020. Morning, Ty, how you doing?
Morning, Steve.
In episode 3, we're going to be looking at best practice for GRP roofing. So a bit of an all-encompassing way of looking at GRP. Can you just go through what we're going to be chatting about and doing on the day, Ty?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to be looking at some do's and don'ts of using various GRP systems, looking at overlay systems and more traditional GRPs as well.
Yeah, that's great.
Debunking some of the myths, I guess, that surround some of GRPs. We'll be doing some practical demonstrations as well on the day. Yeah, so we'll do live demonstrations on the day.
Yeah.
Steve's going to be getting his hands dirty as well.
Yeah.
But we'll be able to showcase those live, correct mixing of the material, obviously catalyst additions, coverage rates and things like that as well. And also going through the guarantee procedures, because there's different guarantee procedures for different systems.
That's fantastic.
So we'll go through those.
That's really good. A bit of practical, me having another go. That's going to be a bit of fun. And as per usual on Never Just a Roof, we're going to have some giveaways as well, Ty. What are they going to be on this episode?
So we've got our newly printed ResTech mixing buckets. So we're going to be giving these away, and these are fully calibrated for powdered catalyst use and also for liquid catalyst use. So obviously, as will be discussed a little bit more on the day itself, using our overlay systems and also our traditional GRP systems. In addition to that, we've also got some deck temperature readers as well for best practice on mixing the catalyst with your resins.
That's really exciting. I don't know if everybody can see that. That's going to be another part of the giveaway. And I must admit, I wish we sold more of the deck temperature gauges, because they're so useful. So that's really great. We've also got some free training being given away as well, yeah?
We have, yeah. So we're going to be running a free FlexiTech 2020 training course here at JJ Roofing Supplies Training Academy in Cricklewood.
That's brilliant. And obviously our Coverec Advanced GRP waterproofing system, which is exclusively available at JJ Roofing Supplies. We're going to be giving away some free training for that product as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So don't forget, Never Just a Roof, episode 3, Monday the 4th of October at 11 o'clock via the JJ Roofing Supplies Instagram account. Don't miss out, because it's going to be a fantastic guy. This guy is top of the tree when it comes to installing, and he's a great trainer. So we look forward to seeing you on the 4th of October at 11 o'clock, Never Just a Roof, episode 3. Thank you for your time, Ty. We'll see you next week. You have a great day.